Kenneth Mbenzi, a trainer in metalwork, and our today's project is about surface development. We want to make a funnel, and the drawing of a funnel is demonstrated on the blackboard, whereby the funnel has got three parts. Part one, we have the funnel itself. It is in form of a truncated cone. A truncated cone means that it has been cut at a certain angle, either flat or an angle. And then we have a lip in the form of a cylinder, this part, the top part. And then we have a sprout, which is in form of another truncated cone, but it is small. So we want to start with part B, which is our major part, the truncated cone. So for you to make a surface development of the cone, number one, you need to know the diameter. And number two, you need to have the height. So when you have the diameter, for example, in our drawing, we have the diameter is what? 70 millimeters. And the height is 80 millimeters. So the procedure, you'll come. First of all, we have the two lengths. You make the bottom length, which is 70. This is what? Diameter of 70. So you make your drawing from here to here, that is 70. So get the center of 70, which is, center of 70 is 35. So you get 35. Then, you've been told a height of what? 80. So you measure from here to here 80 millimeters. Okay. So then, when you're at 80, you make another line. You want to have the next diameter. So the bottom diameter is what? 15. So half of 15 is 7.5. Get 7.5, then you mark. Here you have your 35, there and there. Fine. Then you prolong this center line. After you've done that, at this point, A and CD, you make sure your ruler is at those 2 points, then top. You draw a line, then the same to this other end. And you make your line. So we have our cone. So the cone, this is the area. A, B, and CD is what we are working with. Are we together? Yes. Now, you come here, you draw a circle. And the circle, you divide it into 12 equal parts. The circle should be the same diameter. So that is 70. Come, make the drawing of the circle. After you've done that, you divide this. Have the center lines. Are we there? Yes. Then using the same diameter, you stand at point A, you scribe on top of this chord and then below. Then you stand also here, using the same radius measurement. You scribe on that chord, you also scribe the other end. You do the same to all the chords. Then you realize that you have your 12 points. You name them. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12. After you've done that, you come and draw a slant height. Now the slant height, you pick it from the apex to the bottom of that line. Then you make an arc. Are we there? The same from the apex to that other level point. Then you drop, come, stand at point 0 to 1. Point 0 to 1. Then you mark 12 equal. Up to 12. Are we there? Yes. Then after that, you will extend on your point 12. You join it to the apex. Are we there? Yes. After you've done that, this part, this is our template for construction of a what? A truncated cone. This shaded part. So this will be our template. Are we there? Yes. Any question? Any question? No question. Can we move to the next step of developing part A? Yes. Okay. So part A is a cylinder, whereby part A is a cylinder. And the cylinder we have, the diameter is, what is the diameter? 70 millimeters. And the height? 20 millimeters. So we'll come, using the same procedure, we draw a circle of 70, diameter 70. So we make our circle. Then after you've done that, you get your center lines. Okay? Using the diameter, you stand at, using the radius, stand at point 0, then you make an arc in the top chord, then in the bottom chord. Stand at this other point, make an arc, make an arc. You stand also at this point, make an arc, make an arc. You stand here, you make an arc, make an arc. The reason as to why we are doing this, we want to get the circumference of what? Of this part A. Are we there? Yes. After you've done that, you number the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12. Then you come, after you get the 12 points, you come on, maybe it can be on the sheet or on a manila paper, because you want to make a template. Fine. Then you stand, you make the XY axis. Stand at point 0, get to the points 0 to 1, then you mark 12 points on this line. Up to 12. Then after you've reached your point 12, you come, we said our height is 20. You measure 20, stand there, mark, come to this other end, you also mark 20. Are you there?
Yes.
Then so after you've done that, you also join this top line from this end to this end. Are you there? So this is our template, whereby the height is what? 20 millimeters. So after you got this template of yours, then you can fold it and have a what? The cylinder, part A. You'll use the same formula we used when making part B to make part C. Are we there?
Yes.
Any question? Yes? Circumference of part A. Okay, the formula is, if you want to get circumference, part A is a circle. Circumference is equals to circumference will be pi d, where our d is the diameter. Are we there?
Yes.
So pi is 22 over 7 multiplied by our diameter is 70. So this 7 goes here 1, 7 goes here 10. So our answer will be 220 what? Millimeters. So this 220 is the distance traveled all round. From point 0 to point 12 is 220 millimeters. Umeelewa?
Yes.
Swali? Swali lingine? So kama hakuna swali, I want us to make this work on a sheet of paper. Then after that, we shall make it practically on metal, on sheet of metal. Thank you.